We started with quadratic equations. Look how it's beautiful when I'm starting lessons, no one is talking. When you want to say something about the other teachers, everyone is talking at the same time.
Teacher,
When we start the lesson, teacher will mute.
Okay, bravo, bravo to you. It means taking me very seriously. Yeah. So we started two types. If you remember, when C is 0, we studied, and when B and C is 0. Now here we have a type of quadratic equations when B is 0. I mean, when you have only ax squared plus c. In this case, how we are solving the questions. Here, as the usual equation, solving equations, we will send the knowns one side, unknowns to the other side, and it will be 3x squared is equal to 27. Then we'll divide by 3. X squared will be 27 divided by 3, which is 9. Then x will be root of 9. Yes? Which is
3.
here, what I said, do you remember in the previous lesson, in quadratic equations, we need to have two solutions, but here we found one solution. One more thing not to forget, when we are taking square root of someone, we have of some number, we have here plus and minus. Do you remember why? Because minus 3 is also, minus 3 squared is also 9, and 3 squared is also 9. So as you see, here we'll have x1 as 3, x2
So we have two solutions.
minus 3. One more time, Tringa.
So we have two solutions.
Yes, we have two solutions. Always, when you're taking the square of something in the geometry part, do you remember when we were taking square root of something, we're taking directly the positive answer. Why? Because it's in geometry, it is length, and length cannot be negative. But here in algebra, we need to take this two of them as solution, because we know that minus 3 squared is 9 and 3 squared is 9. So we have two solutions for x. Okay?
Okay.
In B, we have something different.
Yeah.
2x squared is equal to minus 6, it will be. And then x squared will be minus 6 over 2, which is minus 3. Now, can I find the value for x when I will take the square of it to get negative solution? For example, any number, you're taking square of it and you have the result as negative again. Do we have any number like that in real numbers? Can we have it? For example, you're taking a square of a negative number. What will be the result? Minus 1 square.
It will be 1.
It will be
Yeah, it will be positive.
minus 2 square.
It will be 4.
4. So any square of any negative number will be positive at the end. But here it says that x squared is equal to minus 3. So there is no solution for this one. And in this case, we'll say no solution in real numbers. Okay?
Teacher, can I ask something?
Yes.
Why did we take it as minus 6?
Because when I will take plus 6 to the other side, I took it to the other side,
Okay.
and it will become minus 6. This one I'm taking to the other side, and it becomes minus 6. Did we understand why there is no solution here?
Yes, teacher.
Because it cannot be negative. Square of any...
Yeah, the root of minus.
Yes, the root of, or you can write this one, x will be x plus minus root of minus 3, and this is, this one doesn't have solution in real numbers. Hadi hoşça kal, sağ olasın. Yusuf? Yusuf? Yusuf, what are you watching there?
I'm watching film.
You're watching film during the lesson. Bravo, Yusuf.
Teacher, sorry.
Sorry. Okay, Yusuf. Now in C, guys, what we'll do? Again,
minus 4x squared.
We put
Equal to
the
minus
7
five.
in the other side, which will be 2 minus 7 over 4.
okay, both of them you can do. You can take minus 4x squared to the other side, or you can take 7 to the other side. Let me take 7 to the other side to see what we'll have. Minus 4x squared is equal to 2 minus 7 we have. Then minus 4x.
Teacher internet.
Can you hear me? Guys? Guys, can you hear me?
Teacher internet was.
Yeah.
Can you hear me right now?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I don't know what happened. Okay. Now, what we were doing, yes. 2 minus 7, I was saying it would be
Minus 5.
minus 5. Now I am dividing by minus 4, yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Then it will be x squared is equal to minus 5 over minus 4. This minus
Or 5 over 4.
will be plus, minus over minus will be plus, 5 over 4 we have. So x will be plus or minus root of 5 over 4. In this case, we'll plus or minus root of 5 over root of 2. So x1 is equal to root of 5 over 2, and x2 is equal to minus root of
Minus root of 5
And teacher,
over
we can't
2.
let it like this. We should do it root of 5 times 2 over 2, something like that.
No, because here in the denominator, we have already the real number. We don't have square root, something with square root. So we are leaving.
We shouldn't do it like that.
One more time? We
We
should?
shouldn't do it like multiplying the root
No.
of 5 over 2.
If we had this one, root of 5 over root of 2, you,
Okay.
but this one is 2. It's a real number directly, so we don't have
Okay.
with the multiplication. So let me take the attendance not to forget. If you're writing, while you're writing, I will put the attendance. From whom is coming these noises? Yusuf. Yusuf. Yusuf is watching.
Yes, teacher.
Which film you're watching right now?
What?
Which film you're watching?
Film.
Ne izliyorsun Yusuf? Ne izliyorsun diyorum.
Şahvan'ın filmini izliyorum.
Allah iyiliğini versin Yusuf. Ne diyeyim sana? Anita?
I am here.
Okay. Alexander?
I'm here.
Okay. Eva?
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Here. Elsa?
Here.
Here. Okay. Amra? Amra?
She's not here, teacher.
Yona?
Here.
Okay. Stephanie?
Here.
Okay. Fatih?
Here.
Okay, Kibariye.
Yeah.
Here. Tringa.
I'm here.
Okay. Ardita. Artakasami.
I'm here.
Giovanna.
I'm here.
Okay. Vesa.
I'm here, teacher.
Stanislav.
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Salman.
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Rumeysa.
I'm here.
Okay. Sarah.
I'm here.
Erman. Erman.
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Hamza. No. Bessan.
Here.
Here. Okay. Now, if you have written this one, let's see what we have next. Here there are some questions. I will not solve them now. You have them in your book. One part is check yourself. The other one is in which page? I don't know. You can find. In these books, guys, in quadratics, you have at the end of the old chapter, you have exercises and then kind of questions about the topic. It is on page 16. You can check, okay? Check them. If you have problem with any of them, you can ask me. Here right now, you can choose one of them to solve, which one you think that it is hard. I can solve it right now, and then I will show the other type of solving. Which one you want me to solve? Choose from these ones.
Maybe
First one,
maybe 7.
in seventh one,
Yes.
which one you want me to solve? A, B, C?
D, because the last one is always the hardest, I think.
Okay, so solve D for you. Seventh one, D, it says that 1 minus x squared minus 1 is equal to 8. And we need to find the x. Here, you can take the binom square, 1 minus x squared. You can open it and solve like that. Or we can take directly, for example, I will take minus 1 to the other side. I will think that this parenthesis is one unknown, first step. So I will write 1 minus x squared is equal to 8 plus 1. I will take this minus 1 to the other side. So 1 minus x squared is equal to 9. If this one is square is equal to 9, can I write that 1 minus x is equal to plus or minus root of 9? Yes? Can I do this?
We took the root to the other side.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
we are taking the square root. Now I will have 1 minus x is equal to plus or minus 3. So for the first solution, I will take the positive 1. 1 minus x is equal to 3. Then x one side, 3 to the other side. It will become 1 minus 3 is
Three.
equal to x. Then x1 is equal to minus 2. And for
The other one will be 2.
and the other one, minus 3, I will take again 1 plus 3, it will be equal to x. Then x2 will be 4. So as you can see, we have 2 solutions.
Teacher, can I ask you a question?
Yes,
Why do we always have to write plus minus?
yes, yes.
Okay.
Always you have to write it. It's okay?
It's okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, also the others, it's the same logic. You will do in the same logic. Think this parenthesis as one unknown and then solve like that. You will have easier solution. If you will open this one like 1 minus 2x plus x squared, then minus 1 here, then 8, then you will have more complicated ones. This one directly you can solve. The others, check in your book, try to solve if you will have time. And if you have problem in some of them that you couldn't solve or you couldn't understand, ask me next lesson, okay?
Okay.
Now, I am starting the last part, the last form. And this one is the real quadratic equation solving. And you will have some different types of solving till now that you haven't learned, okay?
Okay.
We will have here three different ways. We'll have factoring, we'll have quadratic formula, and we'll have completing the square. Three different types of solving. When you have ax squared plus bx plus c. The first method is factoring method. And for me, this one is the easiest one. And if I have chance, I am using only this way, okay? To solve. I hope that you will understand the logic of it and it will be very simple for you. What is the steps here for solving a quadratic equation by factoring? The first step, write the products of ax squared downward. What does it mean? I will show you. Then the second step, write the products of c downward. Crossly multiply products and get sum of result. If sum is midterm, then write factors directly. What does it mean? Ax squared. Here in this question, we have only x squared. We don't have any number. It means that this one, the factors of this one is x and x. When I will multiply x times x, I will get x squared. And then second step, c. Write the factors of the products of c. C here it's 2. The products of C is 2 and 1. Yes, I'm writing 2, 1. 2 times 1, it's 2. Then cross product. I'm multiplying x times 1, which will be 1x. Then x times 2 will be 2x. When I will add them, I will get 3x, which is midterm. This one. So if I will get with the cross product, if I will get the midterm, it means that the products, the factors are okay here. Then directly, what it says, write factors directly. I am writing like it is, like this. X plus 2 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. So I factorize this quadratic equation. Now, how I will solve? When we have the multiplication of two terms equal to 0, what we said? X plus 2 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then x will be minus 2, which is x1. x2 will be minus 1. And we have solved this equation.
Teacher, let's solve more questions to understand.
Okay, we'll solve more questions. For example, we have here one more. Again, I will factorize them. X squared I have, so directly here I don't have any other chance. X and x. But for 9 right now, I have 3 and 3. For example, minus 3, because it's minus 9, I need to write it. Minus 3 and 3. When I will multiply minus 3 and 3, I will get minus 9. But when I will cross product, I will get 3x minus 3x, which is 0. But here I have 8x. So this one is not true. Then I will check.
9 times 1.
So you can do 9 times 1. Also 9 and 1, it's the factors of 9. But I need to choose now the minus, where to put. To put minus 9 or minus 1? Here
minus 1.
Minus 1.
Yes, here I have plus.
Yes.
So it will be minus 1. What I will get? Minus x plus 9x, which will be plus 8x. So I have the midterm. Now I will write the factors directly. X plus 9 times x minus 1, because I have here minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x plus 9 is equal to 0. And here x minus 1 is equal to 0. From here I will get x1 minus 9, x2 1. Okay?
Okay.
This is the factoring method. And when the coefficient of x squared is 1, it's easier. Directly you have x and x, only you will try to find the correct products in the other part, in C. But if we have a number in front of x squared, you will have to try for more opportunities, you know?
Teacher, we should do it like 2 times x times x, like this? Something?
Yes, but yes, we will see. I will show you. I wanted to say that this one is easier when the x square, the coefficient of x squared is 1 directly. Only you will change, like we tried 3 and 3, it doesn't work. Then we are trying 9 and 1, and okay. Here we are not changing anything. But when we have numbers here, you need to change also the numbers here to find the correct factors. It's okay?
And we check if it is the middle term.
Yeah. If it's okay, I will continue to the next one to show you more questions.
Yes, teacher, it's okay. I'm
Okay.
finished with writing.
Okay. What about the others?
I will write after lessons. I do
Okay. Okay.
Yes, teacher, it's okay.
Okay. Now here, if we have, as I said, quadratic equations with like 6x squared, 2x squared here. Also, it's the same steps, write the products of ax squared, then products of c, then cross product, and then find the correct factors. Now, let's see here. 6x squared, we may have 6 and 1, x, or we may have 3 and 2, 3x and 2x, okay? And we don't have anything else. Here, what we have, 7. 7 is a prime number, so only 7 and 1, or 1 and 7. And it is minus, one of them has to be minus. Now, when I will do like 6x and 1x, and let's say I'm taking minus 7, when I will do cross product, I will have minus 7x plus 6x. The result will be minus 1 minus x.
It is not. Okay.
Minus 19. It doesn't work. Then
we will try with 3 and 2.
let's try with 3x and 2x. Again, I'm writing minus 7 and 1. With a cross product, I will do like this.
3x.
Minus 4x
Minus 3x plus
3x, which is minus 11x.
It's not working.
It's not
Sure,
working.
we can do like minus 1.
Yes. Let's do like minus 1.
It won't work.
So it is, as you said, minus 1 here.
No.
And what will be 14x minus 3x plus 11x. So what do you think? What we need to change?
Teacher, we can change for 6x squared, like 6x times 1x.
Okay. We tried like that or not?
We
6
tried, but we didn't.
and 1x. You can change the places here also. For example,
7 minus 1, teacher.
look, we did 3x and 2x. We did 7 and 1, but we can do 1 and 7. And let's say one of them minus. Now when I will cross product, I will have 2x minus 21x, which is minus 19x. Also the places is important. If you have written first 7, then 1, okay? Now,
Teacher, how can we find directly?
you will try, you will see which one gives. There's no any other, like, it's not like a formula. If you will do this one and this one, exactly you will get the correct result. It's not like that. Here you will...
We should try and try till we find it.
No, when you will solve more questions, directly you will see from the question. 19. Here I have 3, 21, then 2. You know, it goes. Well, but when you will solve lots of questions. Now this is third question for you, and it's normally that you cannot see directly. Now when we'll write 3x plus 1 times 2x minus 7 is equal to 0, then 3x plus 1
Equal to 0.
3x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 over 3. This is the first solution. 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 7. x2 will be 7 over 2. These are the solutions for this quadratic equation. It's okay?
It's okay.
Okay, let's do C. Here, the C. Directly, you cannot do the factorization here. Firstly, you need to write in standard form. What does it mean, standard form?
Equal to 0.
Yes, equal to 0. Then it will be 2x squared, I'm solving C, minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now you can do the factorization. Try to find the correct factors. And let me take one more time attendance for the 7th lesson. Besan, are you here?
2x.
Besan still here or you left? Besan, no, huh? Hamza? No. Ermal?
Yes, teacher.
You're here still? Okay, Sarah?
Yes.
I'm here.
Okay. Rumesa?
Here.
Here. Salman is here. I see him. Stanislav?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay, Vesa?
Here, teacher.
Okay. Giovanna is here. Arta?
I'm here.
Okay. Ardita? No. Shringa?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Kibariye?
Here.
Okay. Fatih?
Here, teacher.
Okay. Stephanie?
Here.
Okay. Yona?
Here.
Okay. Amra? No. Elza?
Here, teacher.
Okay. Eva?
I'm here, teacher.
And Alexander? Alexander?
I'm here.
Okay. Anita?
I am here, teacher.
Okay. Yusuf? Yusuf?
He's watching Shaban.
Still watching Shaban. Shaban is more interesting than me. Yusuf? Oh, Yusuf. So did you find here?
Yes, teacher.
Teacher, it will be 2x times x plus and minus 3 times 1.
So directly
And
minus
minus 3 and 1.
and 1. When we'll do the cross product, we'll get minus 3x plus 2x, which is minus x. So it's okay. Minus 2x minus 3, minus 2x, I'm saying. 2x minus 3, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 3. x1 will be 3 over 2. From the other one, we'll have x2 is equal to minus 1 directly. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so we have 1.5 minutes. If you have written, I can show you some more questions for 1 minute.
Okay, teacher, sure.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So did you get the logic of it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Great. Here it says solve by factoring. We know this one, that we set
X times X 7 times.
x squared to the other side. X squared, I'm saying 49 to the other side, x squared to one side. But if it says solve by factoring, you need to factorize this one. And we know that x squared minus 49, it's 7 squared. And we know the formula a squared minus b squared, that it is a minus b times a plus b. Do you remember?
Yes, yes, yes.
So I can write this one as x minus 7 times x plus 7. And from here, x minus 7 is equal to 0, x plus 7 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to minus 7.
The same in the D.
The same in the D, x squared minus 5 squared you have. So x minus 5